My most viewed videos on my channel were completely scripted. So does that mean that you should script your videos? So these are my two most viewed videos on my channel right now. This one here has 6.8 thousand views. Second one here has 5.7 thousand views. Both of them were posted about half a year ago, and we're both scripted. Hey, my name is Chris and I've been a video producer and editor for over 15 years working in the professional video industry. Throughout my entire career, especially as a producer, not only did I script my videos, but those scripts had to be heavily revised and approved by not only by my boss, but by my boss's boss and everybody in the whole damn company. And so scripts in video are very, very important. But does that mean that you should script every video on YouTube? How does that apply to YouTube? Well, just like almost everything in life, it depends. I think it heavily depends on two things. One, what kind of content are you creating? And two, how good are you at freestyling? Now I know for most creatives, if you are anything like me, we have a lot of stuff going on in our heads. There's a lot of, it's a mess up there. And so I know for me personally, sometimes I struggle articulating myself properly. I feel like I just go off on tangents or whatever, just sort of like how I'm doing right now. And that's why I personally like to script out, or at least just write or somewhat journal my videos, because it just helps me organize my thoughts. Unless I am challenging myself. This specific video is not scripted. I did not script this video at all. I didn't write anything for this video. I didn't write my hook. I didn't write the outline. And so it'd be interesting to see how, how this video does, right? If it completely flops, maybe that's indicative of not scripting, of not writing anything. And if it does well, then cool. Now I do want to mention that scripting has nothing to do with the performance of a video. Just because you script your video doesn't mean that it's going to get a whole bunch of views on YouTube. Scripting has more to do with what type of video you're creating. And so what type of videos should be scripted and how should you go about scripting them? You should be writing for every video. Now that doesn't mean that you need to script every video. Writing can just be jotting down your thoughts and organizing it in a way that makes sense. I can't stress how important I think writing is and how it makes the video better, it makes the production process better. It makes things a lot easier for you, especially when you're filming, because then you sort of have a general idea of how this video is going to come together. Now, what if you just want to hit record on your camera and see what happens? It is very, very hard to create an interesting story on the fly. Unless you are a celebrity or someone that lives a frankly interesting lifestyle. A day in the life video just, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but it doesn't appeal to me. Like, why would I watch a day in the life of some random guy? So scripting your videos really depends on what kind of content that you're making. Like, for example, if you're making a video like Life of Carissa Santos, who, shout out to my fellow Filipino Torontonian Canadian. I know, just based off the interviews that she's done, I don't know her personally, that she does script out her videos. If you're going unscripted or you're just going off the dome and you're making a video like that, that would be very, very hard to put together. A lot of people who I know are getting into the video creation space, they find editing to be one of the hardest things to do. And that's because editing starts way before you bring all your footage to the computer. Editing starts in the pre-production phase. If you plan ahead, editing will be so much easier. If you script out your videos and you know exactly how things are gonna come together, not saying that that's exactly how it's gonna come together, but you at least have a framework to work with. You have a jumping off point, and that alone makes it so much easier. I can't imagine, as a professional editor, someone like me who has been editing for almost 20 years. I can't imagine just having a camera rolling all day and then having to put that together at the end of it. Like, that seems like torture. You're trying to find the story in the edit, and that's one of the hardest things to do. If you know the story beforehand, if you know how it's gonna begin, what's gonna happen in the middle, and what's gonna happen at the end, that's gonna make it a lot easier. Depending on what kind of person you are and what kind of skills you have as a speaker should dictate whether you script your videos. If you're like me, I do suggest that you, at the very least, write out your thoughts. Just put your thoughts onto paper, onto screen, whatever, and just organize your thoughts in a way that makes sense. You don't have to write it word for word. You don't have to say it verbatim on camera, but just the act of putting your thoughts onto paper will help tremendously. Now, if you are good at speaking, if you are good at putting everything together in your brain and then spitting it out onto camera, then yeah, have at it. Just freestyle, just riff on the camera. There are some creators who I know who are really good at that. Maybe they have prior experience speaking, doing public speaking or whatever it is. My advice is to just try it out, right? Script some videos, film it, see how that works. And depending on the topic, maybe if it's a topic that you're very well versed in, if you're very knowledgeable of it, go off the dome and try freestyling that. So hopefully this video will help you. I know that it's not a solid answer, but again, just like all things, when it comes to art, when it comes to creativity, there's no one answer. It's so dependent on many factors. So it's all about finding what works for you. Now, if you want to see the video that I made that was completely scripted, you can check it out over here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.